Welcome to Marketing Minute. I'm Judi Nield, your marketing director. Need a property flyer fast? Check out Legacy Real Estate's Design Center, found in KVCORE, Legacy's Smart CRM. Here's how. All right, guys, let's create a flyer. Go to kvcore.com and log in with your Legacy email and password. If you don't know it, email marketing@legacyre.com and we'll help you out. Click the hamburger to expand the navigation and go to Marketing Design Center. We want to create a flyer, so click on the flyers, or that's in the print media section, and select the flyer template that you like the best. I'll select this listing promotion piece. Now you're going to want to enter the property address. Notice that you can search 3 different MLSs, or you can manually input a property address. This is great for any coming soon marketing. And if you think of the flow of the marketing, coming soon, just listed, sale pending, open house, price change, and sold. You can come in here and edit it and change the status, making it very easy to do your marketing. You can also change the number of photos you want to feature. Now let's enhance the flyer. If I zoom in, I can edit any of the text, click on the image, and I can swap those out as well with any of the images that are on MLS. I can even crop and manage how big the picture is on a zoom. So let's zoom in on that photo and apply the changes. If I don't like it, no worries. I can just swap it out for a different photo. Super easy, very intuitive, great program to use. And how about some more color? Let's bring in a picture from the backyard. One great tip for you guys is this description. It has to fit on an 8.5 by 11 page, so sometimes the description isn't gonna fit. So, good thing to do is just remove a lot of the clutter, keep it really concise. Now, when I highlight this and I increase the font size, maybe go up to like 45, 50, whatever. When it's a couple of lines of text, hit the enter button. And now we can see it. Fantastic. Looks great, fits within the space, and ready to rock and roll. Okay, down in the lower left, we hit save. We're at 2 minutes right now. 2 minutes to create a flyer. And now you download with the bleed. Click download now. Opens up your flyer, and you are print ready. Woohoo! Print ready and ready to rock and roll for your property marketing, whether it's walking the neighborhood or promoting it within the office or sharing it at an open house. Click that print button and you're good to go. If you have any questions about this or other legacy programs, guys, check out the Learning Portal. It's on the dashboard in KVCORE under Learning Portal. Or go to legacylearncenter.com. See? Up at the top, legacylearncenter.com, and search any topics for assistance.